I've been a subscriber with the Stock Market Companion for about 16 months now, and previously I had done quite a bit of reading and research on various investment strategies since I was about 18, whether mutual funds or money markets, CDs. And I got into stock investing with the hopes of making more significant gains. Was never able to be truly successful, so when I heard about the Stock Market Companion and began to subscribe, I was very encouraged by what I saw. It was not ad hoc or on a whim, but it was intelligently thought out, well executed, and I could tell that my assets were not going to be in jeopardy with the decisions I was making. One of the things that I thought early on as I began to subscribe to the Stock Market Companion was that it reminded me of a surfing experience that I had with a friend of mine, and I was struck by the fact that you really need a level of expertise to know when to get into the market and when to get out of the market. Similar to sitting out in the ocean, I remember sitting there and my friend would look back and say, "Oh, here comes a big one." And I, for the life of me, could not see what he saw. Pretty soon he'd say, "Okay, start paddling," and we would turn around and start paddling in, and sure enough, here would come the swell, and we'd pick up speed and ride the wave. And I remember thinking that there was a similarity between surfing and investing, as we would purchase stocks, hold them, and then get out. And I was so mindful that there is really no point or value in purchasing stock in a good company if the market is not stacked in your favor. And it takes a certain level of expertise to know when to get into the market and how long to stay in the market and when to pull out of the market. And that is just a huge contribution to me and my investing that I have gotten from the Stock Market Companion. Over my subscription with the Stock Market Companion these last 16 months, I've been able to net almost a 30% return on my investments. And that, like Benjamin Graham would say, those are adequate returns. I've been very pleased,